Hello, how's it going? I'm just enjoying a wee Sunday night drink. I'll give you a wee update on my progress over the weekend. I've been busy preparing. Oh yeah, Hartley's bin 161, £5.50. I'm on a budget this weekend. Actually very nice. It's Merlot and it's from Australia. I like this one actually very much. I usually am a Shiraz sort of person. I like it quite dry, but this is good. So yeah, anyway. So I've been working on the floor this weekend, and I did muck up a bit. You know, we're only human. We learn from our mistakes, and I should have known better because the conver rust that I'd put down on the floor is an epoxy, and there was a bit of, from rubbing down the dolphin glaze, very fine filler, just cleaning things up. I did expose a wee bit of bare metal, and I wanted to seal it up because the night I was working on it, it was torrential rain. Midges. It was torrential rain that night, and the air was humid, so I just wanted to cover up any exposed metal, and stupid me took a can of etch primer, 1K, and threw it down on the top of the front well of the floor, and guess what happened? The dinner troll didn't like it, so yeah, I should have known better. However, it's all fixed now. I just baked it up with my infrared heater that's on at the moment, sanded it all down, and I've gone over it with the Dinitrol Dronex, and it's taken absolutely fine. Floor's starting to look good. This is just a nice added bit of protection I've done. I'm baking it away on the infrared heater. You'll see, I'll have it on for a couple of hours just to warm it all up, and tomorrow or maybe the following day I'll rub down the Dronex. It's beautiful for rubbing down this stuff. You can wet sand it down and it's like a spray filler, but it's much superior paint. And I've been working on the inside and sanding all the inside down with Scotch Brights. I've keyed it in, paint's all keyed in on the inside. It's taken me ages. I've had to get rid of all this wax, all this stuff's haunting me, because every nook and cranny I go into I'm finding more of it, but I think I've cracked it in the head. I've got most of it out now, if not all of it, so it's good to go. I've keyed all the paint down, so we're almost ready to put a nice coat of epoxy on the inside, and then we'll get the seam sealant around certain parts of the car just for a bit of added protection. Pretty much that's it. There's a few videos of me just kind of keying down the car and stuff, so I'll let you watch them just now while I enjoy another wee sip of wine. So, cheers. Well, this wax is seriously, it's everywhere, and I've got to get all this out of the car before I start panel wiping it all down. So yeah, it's haunting me. So I'm just using a general paint and panel wipe to get this horrible stuff out of here. I'm going to have to go over this a few times now in good old kitchen roll, but you've got to just keep discarding it because this stuff, it's not for coming off too easily. Alright, so that's most of the wax off the inside of the car, I think, I hope. And on to the next step is sanding. Okay, so what I done, took one of the pads and stuck it on and cut it out. Blue Peter without the sticky tape. So let's do it. Hello. It's working. So I'll carry on with this. I could just go to sleep in here. Well, anyway, I've got the top part of the inner roof keyed in using a Scotch-Brite and on the pad and my sander. The only thing is I went to use my little Scotch-Brite pads to grind the edges, and I just realised I've run out of the coarse ones. These are like the ultra fine ones, so it's really that echo. Here I'm just sliding along the paint. I'm really proud to put my bag in it, and you know, it's okay. When I was 20 years old I did stuff like that, but yeah. Boo, I'm back. Just a wee thing. I always like to recommend some products from POR15. If anyone ever wonders what POR15 stands for, it's paint on rust, as far as I know. No, it would make sense, yeah, because it is a rust preventive coating. Yeah, this stuff's very good as well. It's another highly recommended product. It's heavy stuff, it's so dense. But yeah, it's a high build primer. It's a bonding coat, and used to be called tie coat primer, I think it was. But it adheres to cured POR15, because as you know, I think I've talked about this before. POR15, once it cures, it is like ceramic. It's like porcelain or something. You can't hardly scuff it, you can hardly scratch it. And they recommend using an edge primer. I've had good things and bad things with edge primer, but this stuff, if you can give it a wee scuff, the POR15, do it, and coat this over it. POR15, the coating itself, is UV sensitive, so I mean, it won't happen immediately, but after, you know, maybe a year or so, and it couldn't fail. So it's got to be covered, unless it's the underside of the car, and I don't know, I think it would hold for a few years, but I like to coat it over. I like to use this, see, like the inside of wheel wells and so on. If I'm going to paint over the bare metal in a wheel well with POR15, I'll give it a coat with this, you know. What I like to do is, I like to wait till the POR15's almost set, but it's slightly tacky, and I'll put this over the top then, and that gives it a chance to properly stick in. I will use this in a future video once I get this front end of the car built up and so on, and I'm just going over the final stages of the painting process and everything else. Good stuff, POR15, get it from frost.co.uk, they're great guys, well I remember as well. I don't know if you're aware that frost.co.uk, they have got a new thing out on their actual page. It's called the Hub. Get in there, it's free to join, it's a cracking forum. I'm on it. Camera shy and all that, but hey, you know, I enjoy it. So, but anyway, go on the Hub, it's amazing, join it, get on and see what's happening. You've got a lot more stuff on there than you will on Facebook and stuff like that, or these other social media things. It's a great place, great guys, and you know, I go in, it's great fun. You can find all sorts of information and so on, and you know, like-minded guys like ourselves. So anyway, yeah, so once I get the inside of this all primed, and I'll start to get all this all cleaned up, so I'll get these new pieces made for here, get the vent bits on the didgeridoo, whatever you would call them, get the wings all built up, and we'll get nearer to getting this little thing painted. Well, we can get the colour put on the car, or the inside first, and then we'll concentrate on the outside. Got to get the arches all moulded in as well. Yeah, it's coming on. Still got the bonnet and the doors and all that. I need to do some work on them as well. Maybe a wee bit of lead work, so I'll put that into my next videos and show you how to do that. I need to order more lead sticks. They're great. Well, that's pretty much of the update tonight. I'll just enjoy the glass of my wine. Poderino. Chin chin. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll hopefully do some more videos shortly. And yeah, have a great weekend, guys. Speak soon. Ciao. Any more line? Go on. We're out.